how to use DiDi Driver App. Download and install the DiDi Driver App from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your mobile device. Open the app and create an account by entering your personal details and verifying your phone number. Complete the driver profile by adding necessary documents like your driver's license, vehicle information, and any required permits. Set up your payment method to receive earnings securely through DiDi Pay or linked bank account. Turn on location services on your phone to allow the app to track your position for ride requests. Go online in the app by toggling the available or start driving button to receive ride requests from passengers nearby. When a ride request comes in, accept it to see passenger details and pickup location. Navigate there using the in-app map or your preferred GPS. Pick up the passenger, follow the route to the destination, and maintain communication if needed with the passenger through the app's messaging feature. After dropping off the passenger, confirm the trip completion in the app to receive payment for the ride. Monitor your earnings and trip history in the app dashboard and use provided tools for support or emergencies if needed. Subscribe.